Good morning, children. Today we will discuss workbook unit 9. Use of since or for. Since एवं for व्यवहार विषय आज जानिबा. तेबे since is used a point of time before a point of time. गोटिए निर्दिष्ट समय पूर्वरु since को व्यवहार करा जाए. जेपरि for example, I have been working since morning. I have been working since morning. What is the meaning of since? It means सेबे ठारू वर्तमान पर्यंत अतीत कालरू अतीत समयरू वर्तमान पर्यंत जे कार्य करा जाई थे ता पूर्वरु हमें since को व्यवहार करिबा. I have been working since morning. मु सकाळ ठारू काम करि आसुची वर्तमान पर्यंत. For present time, past time, from past time to present time. So here since is used as a preposition. As a preposition. But the next sentence, I have been working since I came back. यदि मैं आवे को सेंटेंस नबा मॉर्निंग जगह रे I have been working since I came back. एठारे आमर since गोटिए कंजक्शन भाव रे व्यवहार करा जाईछि. कंजक्शन संयोगकारी माने दुईटी वाक्य को जोड़ीछि. तेबे I have been working since I came back. मु कार्यटी करि आसुछि मु फेरिबा ठारू. तेबे आमर since व्यवहार हुए as a preposition or as a conjunction. It also the past time when it used as a preposition, it used before a past time. सकाळ ठारू past time रो समय. सेमिति I came back past action. जदि यह एक कंजक्शन भाव रे व्यवहार हुए एहा पास्ट एक्शन पूर्वरु व्यवहार होई थाए एवं जदि यह एक प्रीपोजिशन भाव रे व्यवहार होई थाए एहा एक पास्ट टाइम पूर्वरु व्यवहार होई थाए. मोटामोटी भाव रे since यूज as a point of time गोटे निर्दिष्ट समय पूर्वरु आमे since को व्यवहार करिबा. सेमिति for use of for is used as a duration of time समयर अवधि पूर्वरु आमे for को व्यवहार करिबा. For example, I am going to Delhi for 2 weeks. For 2 weeks. 2 weeks is a duration of time समर अवधि अटे. I am going to Delhi for 2 weeks. आ मध्ये होई पारे 2 years, 2 days, 2 months एमिति समर अवधि पूर्वरु हमें for को व्यवहार करिबा. किंतु since हमर point of time पूर्वरु व्यवहार होई थाए. निर्दिष्ट समय पूर्वरु व्यवहार होई थाए. It is maybe past time or past action. Mr. and Mistress Sahu have been here dash 1968. 1968 is a point of time and it also a past time. So here we use ଆମେ since की for use करिबा जेहेतु यह एक starting point of time एवं यह एक past time रो कथा आमे भी since व्यवहार करिबा since 1968 is a starting point of time. So use here before it since. Mr. and Mistress Sahu have been here since 1968. The girl has been suffering from fever dash 5 days. Here 5 days is a duration of time. समर अवधि को एठी बुझाउची 5 days, 2 days, 3 months, 2 years are also a duration of time. So use here for 5 days. The girl has been suffering from fever for 5 days. We haven't visited Bhubaneswar this April. January, February, Monday, Tuesday are also a point of time, starting point of time. So use here since. यह एप्रिल एक निर्दिष्ट समय कथा को बुझाउची तेणु यह पूर्व आमे since को व्यवहार करिबा रमेश will be away just a few weeks. A few weeks is a duration of time. So Ramesh will be away for a few weeks. My uncle and aunt have been here dash Saturday last Saturday. Since I am going away dash a few weeks. A few weeks, a duration of time for a few weeks. I am going to Delhi just 3 days, a duration of time. So I am going to Delhi for 3 days. Mahendra has lived here just 2 years here, duration of time. So Mahendra has lived here for 2 years. The children haven't had any food just this morning. This morning here a starting point of time. So the children haven't had any food since this morning.